Alright guys, check out this little keyboard I've been messing around with. The Redragon K652. It's a 75% wireless mechanical keyboard, and honestly for the price it's pretty impressive. First off, I love the compact size. It's got that 75% layout, which means it ditches the numpad, freeing up a ton of desk space for my mouse. But here's the clever part. They've kept the function keys and added some extra control keys, so you're not losing out on functionality. It's a win-win for smaller setups. The build quality is surprisingly decent. It's got an aluminum top plate, which gives it a nice, solid feel. And it comes in this cool gray and orange colorway that I'm really digging. They even throw in a set of extra orange keycaps if you want to switch things up. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. This thing uses low-profile brown switches, which give you that tactile bump without being too clicky. It's a smooth, satisfying typing experience, and the ultra-thin design is super comfortable for my wrists. No more wrist strain after long gaming sessions. One of the coolest features is the tri-mode connectivity. You can connect it via USB-C, Bluetooth 3.0 or 5.0, or a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. This gives you so much flexibility. I can use it wired with my desktop, then switch to Bluetooth for my laptop or tablet. Super convenient. And the connection is rock solid, no lag or dropouts whatsoever. The battery life is pretty decent too. I've been using it wirelessly for a few days now, and I haven't had to charge it yet. Now here's something I really appreciate. This keyboard is fully compatible with both Windows and Mac. There's a little switch on the side that lets you toggle between the two operating systems, which is perfect for anyone who uses both. No more messing around with key mappings or compatibility issues. It just works. And if you want to customize things further, Redragon has software that lets you create your own macros and lighting effects. I haven't dived too deep into the software yet, but it seems pretty powerful. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Redragon K652. It's a budget-friendly wireless mechanical keyboard that packs a punch. It's got a great layout, solid build quality, a comfortable typing experience, and tons of connectivity options. If you're looking for a compact, versatile keyboard that won't break the bank, definitely check this one out. It's a serious contender in the budget keyboard market. It might not be perfect, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you tried this keyboard? What are your thoughts? And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.